Another day, another story. 16. Drive your vehicle. If you own a car, you can supplement your income as an Uber driver or delivery person. Even if you don't, you can still use your bicycle or moped to deliver food and other necessities. Uber drivers who want to make even more money with their car can use free car media to turn their vehicle into a moving billboard. In this case, the company will wrap your car in a removable vinyl with a product or brand advertisement. How to make money with Uber? Would you like to know how to make money quickly driving Uber? If you have a side business, you can show it to your passengers if they are interested. However, not all will be. If a passenger expresses an interest in your products, you can have them for sale under the driver's seat for them to sift through. If customers do not have cash, you can request that they pay the fare using Uber's tip function. 17. Work as a virtual assistant. With so many entrepreneurs starting businesses, the demand for virtual assistants is almost daily increasing. A virtual assistant is a self-employed person who works for a company from a remote location. As a virtual assistant, you could provide services such as writing, bookkeeping, social media, and customer support. Relevant gigs can be found on websites such as Virtual Office Temps, Indeed, or Upwork. Many virtual assistants have also discovered ways to make money online by contacting brands and entrepreneurs and asking if they need assistance running their businesses. You'll get your first client sooner than you think if you use a combination of job posting applications and outreach. 18. Turn into a Twitch streamer. Twitch began as a gaming platform, but it is quickly expanding to include other types of content. Twitch streaming is an increasingly popular way to make money online these days. To make money quickly on Twitch, you must first build your following. If you are consistent, streaming on this platform can help you quickly build a large audience. Find a popular game or channel that isn't too competitive so that people can easily find your content. You'll need to have a consistent style for your channel in order to get people to notice your streams. Will it be funny, educational, or entertaining? Choose a path and stay on it. Selling products, brand sponsorships, fan donations, subscriptions, and Twitch ads are the 5 ways to monetize your Twitch channel. To maximize your financial gains as a Twitch streamer, you should focus on utilizing all 5 monetization methods. You can make a lot of money hosting Twitch streams if you have the right strategy and work hard. 19. Purchase stocks. Investing in stocks is another way to make money quickly. If you aren't an expert at picking stocks, you might want to pass on this money-making opportunity. While it has the highest potential rewards, it can also result in financial loss if you are inexperienced. If you are currently employed, investigate your company's financial programs. Do they allow you to buy company stock? If so, register for it. As an employee, you have some influence on the organization's success with a company stock program. If your company offers an RRSP matching program, you can enroll in it if you want to save for retirement or a down payment on your first home. 20. Your photography can be sold. How to earn money through photography. You can make money online by selling your images, whether you're a professional photographer or just enjoy taking pictures. Shutterstock and Alamy are excellent places to showcase your work. These websites pay photographers royalties when someone downloads a copy of their image. If you want to quickly monetize your photography, you can create a listing on Fope, a smartphone app that allows you to upload your work and earn money. When an agency, brand, or other entity purchases a photo or video from your digital Fope portfolio, the app creator splits the profit 50-50 with you. 21. Online clothing sales. You most likely have clothes that you haven't worn in a year and have no plans to wear again. Why not sell them instead of letting them take up space in your closet? There are numerous websites where you can sell your used fashion items, whether they are clothes, handbags, or shoes. Poshmark, Refashioner, The Real, ThreadUp, and Tradesy are just a few of the online marketplaces where you can sell clothing for cash. You could earn money online by selling on various platforms. If you want to drive offline sales, you can use Facebook buy and sell groups in your community to connect with people online and sell items in person. I've sold through these groups in the past and know they work. 22. Make yourself an extreme couponer. When money is tight, coupons can help you save a few dollars. Furthermore, sharing coupons can help you earn money online. Coupon Chief, for example, has a pays-to-share program in which customers receive a percentage of sales generated by coupons shared on the platform. You must add coupons that have not yet been shared. In exchange, you'll earn a 2% to 3% commission. It's similar to affiliate marketing in that you share referral links and earn a commission when someone purchases through your link. Coupon companies are known to pay their affiliates on a regular basis, making it a legitimate way to make money online. Coupon Chief has already paid its users over $1.3 million in commissions. 23. Domain name purchases and sales. If you buy domain names on a regular basis but never use them, you can always try to sell them for a profit. However, selling domains is extremely competitive. You'll have a better chance of selling if you own a oneword.com domain. Words with a high search volume also sell well. Furthermore, domains that are currently popular have a better chance of selling. Fidget spinner domains, for example, were easier to sell a few years ago than they are now. The Shopify domain registration platform allows you to search for domain names and purchase a custom domain. GoDaddy's domain auction is a great place to sell your domains. Examine the domains with the highest bids to determine what types of domains sell well. It will tell you whether your domains are worth selling and how much money you can make from them. 24. Online sales of your designs. Graphic design is a fantastic skill that can be monetized in a variety of ways. You can sell your designs on your own custom products using print on demand. Alternatively, you can submit your designs to a crowdsourcing platform such as 99 Designs. You can also make your own graphics and templates to sell on marketplaces like Envato or Creative Market. Alternatively, how about finding some clients and working as a freelance graphic designer? According to PayScale, this position pays an average of $29.90 per hour. 25. Examine apps and websites. Ideas for making money. If you're interested in user experience, User Testing pays reviewers $10 to provide feedback on other entrepreneurs' websites and apps. You'll be given a series of questions to answer as you browse a website. That is a quick way to make money online. You'll send the entrepreneur your ideas and feedback via video while navigating their website or app. Because your video is only 20 minutes long, you'll make $30 if you do 3 videos per hour. Because other reviewers can take projects quickly, you must act quickly when a new website or app needs to be reviewed. 26. Find a part-time job. When you've done everything possible to make money quickly but are still unable to make an impact, you may be forced to take on a part-time job. You can look for part-time work on Indeed or a niche job board that specializes in your field. Some job boards charge a registration fee, so read the fine print carefully. You should have no trouble finding relevant positions to apply for because most sites allow you to filter for part-time and contract-based jobs. With many businesses hiring part-time employees, it's easier than ever to make money online without working a full week. 27. Turn into a TikTok consultant. Becoming a TikTok consultant is one of the hottest ways to make money online. Brands will contact you to brainstorm video ideas, create engaging bios, and other tasks. It's the ideal income opportunity for digital nomads because you can run the entire business from your smartphone. TikTok is relatively new and untapped in comparison to Instagram, so assisting brands in establishing a solid presence on the app can potentially make you a fortune. However, before you start offering TikTok consulting to businesses, you must have a few skills. The most important skill is knowing how to make viral videos that encourage people to interact with brands. If you lack the knowledge to drive sales through this platform, you can still learn how to attract customers by enrolling in this TikTok course. 28. Online greeting card sales. If you have a knack for selecting the perfect greeting card for various occasions, this could be a simple way to make money online. However, I do not recommend that you market your services to everyone and anyone. It is not a wise business practice. Instead, create or find greeting cards that appeal to a specific demographic. You can, for example, create greeting cards for C-level executives who want to thank their senior vice presidents for making profitable decisions last year. Alternatively, you can target medical professionals who want to thank their patients for choosing their clinic. You can design the cards using an online graphic tool such as Photoshop or Canva. These tools make it simple to create attractive greeting cards that will brighten anyone's day. In 2022, how will you make money online? Making money online can help you not only stay afloat during these difficult times, but it can also help you escape your 9-to-5 job and become a full-time entrepreneur. You gain more financial freedom, improve your financial security, and move closer to living life on your terms by brainstorming online business ideas and deciding to start an online business. It is possible to make a living online if you work hard and persevere. So, which money-making idea are you going to pursue first? How can I make money online quickly? Create a Shopify store and sell products online. Sell your second-hand items on eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. Coupon websites such as Coupon Chief allow you to find and share coupons. Domain name purchases and sales. Rent out your extra room on Airbnb. Startups and businesses can benefit from TikTok consulting. Offer information products for sale. Tutor people in high-demand subjects online. Repurpose your thrift store finds. Examine apps and websites. How can I make $100 per day on the internet? Fill out surveys. Amazon allows you to sell products. Online English instruction. Make money by watching videos. Get money back on your purchases. Website proofreading. Online music reviews. In 2022, how can I make money online? Open a print-on-demand shop. You can sell your clothes online. Make handmade items. Provide freelance services. Subscription boxes should be curated. Create online courses. Start a podcast. Produce digital goods. Make yourself an influencer. Create a blog.